Hello Summit. So now in this video, I want to show you one of the simplest ways you can use to cut a shirt, a vintage shirt. Now because of time, I want to make the video a time lapse, but I will explain to you what I am doing, right? Now the first thing I am doing is to fold the button allowance. The next thing I will do is to mark out the baselines, which I have already marked out, and then I will start from the center of the allowance to apply my chest measurement. Now the chest measurement will start from the center of this button allowance, then I'll apply it at extra 1.5 or 2 inches. So once you get that, I will now get my shirt length. Rather, this comes first actually. Shirt length, get your armhole point. The armhole I will use is chest over 4. Then after which I will now apply the chest measurement on the armhole line, then add extra 1.5 or 2 inches, and then mark it out. Apply shoulder over 2. Shoulder is 18, over 2 is 9, plus half, that's 9.5. And then the neck I will use is 16 neck, and I will divide it by 6. Rather, my neck is 18, divide by 6, I will have 3, right? I will minus 0.3 from it and mark 2.7. Then I will add extra half an inch to that 2.7 to mark the depth of 3.8 as you are seeing. So do well to watch the video to the end, and make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments if you need any clarifications. See you guys on the next one.